plate grabs. If you're in a hurry, you gotta have one plate. Hey, this is the magic right here. Next one's ready. These are the 2 plate grabs. You want to taste? You gotta get tongs. You want 2 plates? These are my reserves. If you get backed up, my 1 plates are gone, my 2 plates are gone. These are my reserves. These are some more reserves, but not as reserved as those reserves. Before you got the taste, you got the tongs. For with the buns, you got the brawn. You know what I'm saying?
Disaster has befallen our table.
Hey, could you give us a quick preview of how you put that on there?
A little preview. Take the meat, shake it off. Kenny Ball knows what I'm talking about. Shake it off. Hey, classic on there.
Josh is going to show us what to do. All right. Step 1. Get a cup. Step 2. Sit the cup down. Step 3. Get a lid. Step 4.
A good-looking helper.
A good-looking... Oh my goodness.
Hard-headed man. He was brutally handsome. She was terminally pretty.
Were we on step 7? 6. Step 7, grab another one.
There you go, Mom.
Thank you. All right. Drop that one back in the cup again. A 3rd lemon. This is called the triple squeezer right here. Oh, you discard. Hold up.
Discard number 3.
Discard it.
Number 3. Number 8.
Step 8. Then you give it to the assistant.
High fructose corn syrup.
High fructose corn syrup.
It has to be perfect. She has to add just the amount, right amount.
Guys.
Okay, this is prepping.
Let me see what's in there real quick.
It's just some high fructose corn syrup and lemon, some water, fresh lemons. Then it's ready to go.
It's ready to go. They sit it here
And
with
then
all these other fine ones.
And then when somebody comes, you just add ice and water and shake. Shake.
Show us how to shake it.
Shake and not stir.
Shake and not stir. What do you say to that one?
Man, that's pretty cool. All for $5.
All for $5.